Hi there, I'm Emrah Kaya. I work as a quality system manager at GİSAN body manufacturing industry. To begin, I'd like to answer this question as a quality manager, and I would like to talk about saving time. In our previous inspections, our quality inspectors checked the measurements individually with technical drawings and meters in their hands. Today, with the help of SuPAR, we can access both present and missing checks and quickly find positioning errors in one go. I can say that it's very useful for us in our feedback. I can say that reporting processes have led us to digitalize our quality management system. Because a report is issued by SuPAR with a single button, all of our units can see this report internally, and we can immediately intervene in the resulting report and the error that occurs. This saves even more time. Before we begin using SuPAR technically, we request updated data from AutoCAR. After the current data arrive, we break it panel by panel in CATIA software. We take the current data on the right side panel from CATIA and translate it on the composer side to provide feedback comments aided with photos taken at the points we see as critical on a panel basis. In this manner, we send it to our own quality operators. Our quality operators translate the data we send and the data translated by the composer on the tablet and start using both. As the GİSAN quality team, we're happy to use SuPAR. We've gradually started to verify this data with our error reporting data retrieved from AutoCAR, which will be more useful in the following processes. I recommend this solution to all companies that wish to use it.